Hey guys, and today we are going to be making a delicious chocolate pecan pie. And if you would like to make this, then please follow along. So for this pie, you will be needing light brown sugar. You'll be needing this light corn syrup. You'll be needing this pure vanilla extract. This butter. Pecans, chocolate chips. We'll be needing eggs. We need 3, but we're short on eggs, so. And then this is pie crust, which we're gonna leave this in the fridge until we need it because you're supposed to use it in the fridge. Well, we have a little bit of a mistake. Do not put the pie crust in the fridge, because you need to put it in room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. Before we get started, let's get the oven preheated. And if you are a kid, make sure to get your parents supervised. First thing you'll be needing is 1 cup of light brown sugar. Second, you'll be needing 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Last, you'll be needing 1 cup of light corn syrup. Okay. Next, you'll be needing eggs, but we only have 2, but you need 3. So if you were to make this recipe, you would really be needing 3 eggs, but we're short on eggs, so we're just gonna make 2 eggs. And if you have less eggs than 3, then just use a little bit more butter than you need. Something like this. You'll be needing 1 1/2 of pecans. You'll be needing 3/4 cups of chocolate. We're using chocolate chunks. Half a stick of butter. I'm pretty sure you may use a little bit much, like I said, because we didn't have them right now with eggs. Now you mix well. So you need your pie crust out in room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to take our pie crust and just mush it onto this pie pan. After a little bit of help, we finally got the pie crust into the pie pan. And now you're going to dump your mixture into the pie crust. Smells really good. Now you're going to take your mixture and you're just going to flatten it around the pie crust. Because the oven is hot, you should get your parent to do this job. You good, Dad? We have a timer set for 55 minutes. This what is it? Pecans. Or pecans, I don't know. What's next? You will be needing 1 1/2. Cut that out.
Say it again.
You'll be needing 1 1/2 of pecans. Now you mix. Next you'll be needing
3/4.
3 what?
3/4 cup.
You'll be needing 3/4 cups of chocolate. And then lastly you'll be needing, what's the amount?
Half a stick.
Half a stick of butter. But right now we're going to put the pie crust and push it onto the pie dish. So this is the opening. And oh, it smells like a taco thing. It's getting stuck on the edge. Okay, so I'm pretty sure, I don't know if you did I ruin it? Okay, well, I ruined it. Well, after a little bit of help, we finished up the pie crust and we mushed it into the pie pan. And now you're going to dump it out. Well, yeah.
No.
Well, you all, and we're just going to start it.